Aloha and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Today I am going to grill up a Hawaiian turkey burger. But instead of a cop-out recipe where you simply grill a pineapple ring and call it a day, I'm going to do this with a 3-ingredient pineapple slaw. So you're going to want to check out this video and see how this is done. It is straight on out to the grill today because the first thing we are going to make is our 3-ingredient slaw. So out here I've preheated my Weber Q and a cast iron skillet to medium, and now I am going to pour 1 cup of diced white onion into my skillet. And now to follow that up with a 1/4 cup of diced jalapeno peppers with seeds removed. Give this a stir to ensure your jalapeno peppers and onions are evenly distributed. Shut the lid and let this cook for about 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes here, we are going to go and add our pineapple. I have about 8 ounces of pineapple chunks here, so I'm going to go add this to the skillet. I will admit I use canned pineapple today, but of course, use fresh pineapple if you have it. And just like before, give all your ingredients a mix so that they are evenly distributed. Shut the lid and let everything continue to cook. Now at this point your skillet has been on the grill for about 10 to 12 minutes of total cook time. Your onions should have softened quite a bit, and your pineapple chunks might even be starting to caramelize a bit. So at this point, pull the skillet off the grill and let's reset it for the burger patties. Grab a grill brush and scrape your grill grates clean if you had not done so already prior to preheating your skillet. Then shut the lid and let this grill come on back up to temperature while we prepare our burger patties. So for my turkey burgers today, I am going to be cooking up 1 pound of ground turkey. With turkey burgers, you're always going to need about a 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs to bind all of your ingredients and burger patties together. Now for some flavor. To begin, I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of onion powder, followed by about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. There we go. Next, I have about 4 to 5 stalks of green onion, chopped. Into the bowl that goes. Now finally, of course, I'm going to hit this with some salt and pepper. Grind both your salt and your pepper to taste. That's everything in our patties, so once satisfied, use your clean hands and mix these ingredients thoroughly together. Once mixed, you can then form your patties. Now, one important note about turkey burgers is they don't shrink on the grill like beef patties. So you need to be sure that the patties you make are the same size as your buns. Today, I am going to be using King's Hawaiian hamburger buns. Obviously. But of course, any kind of bun will do. Anyways, grab a plate, then pinch off about a 1/4 pound of that turkey burger meat mixture. Work it gently between your 2 hands. Place that ball on the plate and form your patty. Again, trying to approximate the size of your hamburger buns. Repeat until you have formed all your patties. And now to prep these patties for the grill, drizzle some olive oil on top. Then with your clean hands, gently rub the oil over the surface of each turkey burger patty. Of course, what you do on one side, you need to do to the other side, so repeat this process on the second side of your burger patties. Now, we are ready to head on back out to our grill. At this point, my Weber Q is back on up to heat. I have set the gas knob to a medium-high heat, and I am now going to lay my patties directly across the grill grates. It is yet another windy day out in the Windy City, but despite that, once again, great sizzle as soon as these burgers hit the grill. With all 4 patties now on board, it's time to shut the lid and let these cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes on the grill, let's see how we're doing by giving these a flip. Perfect. These are the grill marks that you are looking for on your turkey burger patties. And because we added a generous layer of olive oil to each of these patties before laying them on the grill, they turn and release very easily. Anyways, these are looking good. Let's shut the lid and finish this cook. Now, as usual, about a minute left in the cook, we're going to go add our cheese. This recipe calls for pepper jack cheese. Lay 1 slice of cheese on each burger patty. And completely unnecessary here, but I'm knocking out that piece of fat that has rendered out of that third patty. Anyways, at this point, you could also toast up a couple of buns as well, if you so desire. There we go. Now shut the lid and let those cook. And now after 1 minute, for a total of 10 minutes of total cook time, it's time to pull everything off of the grill. I'm starting with these Hawaiian buns as they have a tendency to burn, then following that up by pulling my burger patties. Once everything is off the grill, let's head on inside and assemble. Assembly is super easy. Start with your bottom bun, then place your turkey burger and melted cheese on top. Follow that up with a couple spoonfuls of that 3-ingredient pineapple slaw. And what you just saw was a prime example of how not to spoon your pineapple slaw. Instead, perhaps a better way is use your hand and help balance the ingredients on top of your burger, like so. And now to finish this off, drizzle some teriyaki sauce on top of all your ingredients. So there you go. That is how you can grill up a Hawaiian turkey burger on a Weber Q. This burger is a little sweet, a little spicy, but absolutely delicious. Give this a try and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!